All right, guys, let's go over one more thing. We have total surface area. So we're looking at total surface area of a rectangular prism. So let's say you have a gift. You have a gift that is a rectangle. And in order for us to draw a rectangular prism, we draw a rectangle on top of a rectangle and we connect the vertices. So let's say you have a gift and you want to wrap it in birthday paper or Christmas paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at all of our side lengths. So let's say it is 3.2 long. Your length is always your longest side. 2.1 wide and 2.7 feet high. Well, I know that this one going up is my height. So this is 2.7 high. So that means this other piece has to be my width, how wide it is, 2.1 wide. So the next thing I need to do is look at my total surface area formula. So if I'm looking at surface area at my mathematics reference chart, I have lateral surface area and total surface area. I have a prism or a cylinder. Well, we're looking at a prism, a rectangular prism for total surface area. So I'm going to go ahead and write this down. Total surface area, I like to write TSA, of a prism is pH plus 2B. pH plus 2B. Well, now you might be a little confused. I got some P and a B. I know what my H is and I know what my number 2 is, but what does this P stand for? This P stands for perimeter of the base. So when I'm looking at perimeter of the base, I'm looking at these four sides right here. The perimeter of the base. So perimeter of the base would be, 3.2 long plus 2.1 wide plus 3.2 long plus 2.1 wide. There's four sides, so you better have four numbers in here. And then what is my H? My H is my height. So times 2.7, close parentheses, and here is my plus sign. Here is my plus sign, bring it straight down. I have the number 2 times this B right here. Well, if you're already studying geometry, you should know that this B means the area of the base. So now looking at area of the base, my area of the base means all of this right here now. Well, area means length times width. So what is the length? Well, you just told me whenever I was doing the perimeter, the length is 3.2. And what is my width? Again, the width is 2.1. And close parenthesis. Now, all of you should have some type of calculator. You should be using the TI Inspire calculator in my class. So now all we're going to do is use our really smart calculator and put this whole problem in there. So open parentheses, 3.2 plus 2.1 plus 3.2 plus 2.1. Close parenthesis. I'm right here. Now I'm at the height. Open parenthesis, 2.7, close parenthesis, plus the number 2. And then I'm at open parenthesis, 3.2 times 2.1, close parenthesis. Enter. So my total surface area of this rectangular prism is 42.06. So if you had a present that you needed to wrap at 3.2 long, 2.1 wide, and 2.7 high, remember that your P is your perimeter of the base. You should have 4 side lengths, which means you should have 4 numbers to find the perimeter. Your height was 2.7. Your B is area of the base. Remember, area is length times width. So all you do is plug in your numbers. Once you plug in those numbers into your calculator, you get 42.06. And that is how you find the total surface area.